can see we have a bit of a fire going behind us. And you know, cultures for centuries around the world have used fire as a way to sort of initiate growth, transformation, and opportunity. And so we thought it would be a wonderful way to have a groundbreaking ceremony for today.
My intention today is opportunity, and I want to say a few words about the opportunity the Component Manufacturing Center provides not only to Promega, but to the design team members who've been supporting this effort. I think first and foremost what's important is it really extends Promega's focus and commitment to providing holistic environments which encourage employee fulfillment and a culture of wellness. And that's been evident in each and every design discussion. The broader team and Promega's been vested in every discussion, and it's been a really rich and rewarding opportunity for Flad and all of our colleague firms supporting us in this effort.
So my intention is relationships, and you know, if you realize one fact, and that is we've been working with Promega for 31 years. That's a really big topic, relationships, and there's a lot of content there. So I wanted to just bring you back to the R&D groundbreaking last year, and I talked about my grandfather Norm and my father Tom and how they started the relationship with Bill and Promega back in 1988. And you know, growing up, getting to see and hear from those two and what that meant to work alongside Bill and to work with Promega. And as Promega kept growing and understanding what the culture is, I'd get more and more growing up about what that means to really work for Promega. And you learn very early, it's not just about building really nice, great, interesting buildings. It's more than that. It's about the relationship.
Today I'm going to talk about our intention of collaboration. And I want to start off with a quote from Phil Jackson. He once said, "The strength of the team is each individual member. The strength of each member is the team." And as I look around today, I see individual members from our branch, Promega Biosciences in San Luis. I see our design and construction team, and I see our Promega Madison team. I see strengths that each person brings, and I know for certain that the team is stronger because we are working together on this important project for Promega.
The intention stick I chose today is community. And looking up the definitions of community, you find it is fellowship with others as a result of sharing common attitudes, interests, and goals. I chose this because it is very important to me to have a city that people feel pride in, is welcoming to everyone, and a place where people feel a sense of community. The people that live and work in Fitchburg are wonderful, caring, and they give me a sense of community. When I think of the ideal partner for Fitchburg, I really think of Promega and how ingrained they are in Fitchburg.
And I know last year as we were doing the groundbreaking for the R&D building, a lot of people looked at that, the largest project we've ever done, and a lot of people wondered, is this kind of it? Are we like putting the cherry on top of the ice cream cone or whatever it is, ice cream sundae? I mean, is this like the epitome? And clearly the answer is not. When we finished Feynman, people said, gosh, it can't get any better. And then in the design of Feynman, when the architectural and the design team said, Bill, what do you have in mind? What is your design direction? And I said, well, when you're done with the new R&D building, I want you to look back in Feynman and say, well, that was a good try. You know? And so they kind of go, okay, I think we can do it. And in fact, they have done it. And in many ways, this facility exemplifies that same commitment to quality, that same commitment to creativity, and to a level of design that will take that yet another step. And I'm just really proud of the team that we've put together and what's going to be happening. Not just the design, not just how this thing will function from a mechanical standpoint and all of the support, but the people who work here. And as Pancho was saying, that unique combination of skill, of experience, of education, but also that commitment that really comes from the heart.
We also want to make sure